Hello, this is Adam over with Tampa Honda. Today we're going to show you how to swap out your wiper inserts for your factory Honda blades. Real simple process. So first you got a little clip in here. You push that in, you just slide this down to get the actual wiper off. And then on the inside here, you've got this rubber seal. You go ahead and you just start pulling this out. Then you get your new insert. You put the metal pieces back on the inside here. They fit right into this little slot. Got it on both sides. Just seal that all the way down. Exact same on the other side. Seal them all the way down. Grab the blade back. Just slide it all the way back in. And then once you've got it slid back in, real simple to reinstall it. There's a little hook. Slide it in here, it snaps in place, and you are good to go. Real simple process. Feel free if you're ever in. We'll do them for free for you. If not, if you're on the road and your wipers are smearing a little bit, you can get it done yourself. Thanks. This is Adam from Tampa Honda, home of the lifetime warranty.
Tampa Honda.